Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Provide your social security number, a valid driver's license, and your bank routing and account numbers when opening an account. Start at Fidelity. Or the Fidelity mobile app, choose individual, joint, or retirement account, and follow prompts to enter personal details. Choose a cash or margin account and acknowledge margin agreements if you select margin trading. Read and accept the electronic agreements, set up two-factor authentication, and verify your identity with a photo ID during the online process, so your account activates within 1 to 2 business days. Use ACH transfers that typically take 1 to 3 business days or same-day wire transfers to fund your account. Link your bank by entering bank routing and account numbers, or use the Fidelity Cash Management Transfer feature. Small micro-deposits or instant verification may apply. Select order types, such as market for immediate execution or limit to set a maximum purchase price. You can also use stop or stop limit orders for risk control. Decide whether to buy whole shares or use fractional share purchases in dollar amounts like 0, then confirm the quantity and preview fees. Place the order, review the preview showing quantity, price, and /bin/sh commission for most U.S. equity trades, then submit and note the execution time and price. Monitor your positions in the Fidelity mobile app or website dashboard and set price alerts, stop-loss orders, or trailing stop orders for risk control and disciplined exit points. Expect Form 1099 reporting for dividends and sales proceeds at tax time. Review realized gains and cost basis in the account, and download statements or export CSV files to prepare accurate tax filings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.